Alright, now we're going to start our discussion of Chapter 23, which begins our ecology unit, and we're going to be looking at plant evolution and diversity. Our first objective reads, define plants. Explain what adaptation made them suitable for terrestrial existence. Well, plants are multicellular, photosynthetic eukaryotes, and their evolution is marked by their adaptations to living on the land. And living on the land has certain advantages. You have plenty of light for photosynthesis, and you have higher concentrations of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and it diffuses more easily from the air than it does from water. So those are both significant adaptations. And they had to have specific adaptations to live in the land because you have a constant threat of drying out or desiccation. So they started developing seeds, and their embryos developed within the seed, and it had food in there for the developing embryo with a surrounding protective seed coat. Now, if they live in the water environment instead of the land environment, obviously they have plenty of water, and that helps to support the body of the plant. Land plants had to conserve water, though, so their body is covered by a waxy cuticle, and this doesn't allow water to escape, or it allows carbon dioxide to enter and oxygen to leave and photosynthesis to continue. They also develop a vascular system, which is a system of vessels that transport the water from the roots up through the body of the land plant. And the evolution of the plants is marked by 6 evolutionary events, and they're all associated with the 4 major groups of plants. These are the 4 major groups. You've got the non-vascular plant, and here we had nourishment of the embryo that happened within the body of the female plant. Then we have the second group, which is our seedless vascular plants, and of course this is where we saw the vascular tissue for the first time. And then we have the gymnosperms and angiosperms, which both produce seeds, and the flowering plants that attract the pollinators and produce the fruits.